In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to play FIFA with two controllers. So the first thing we need to do is to go back into this right here, so you can see the home page on your PS5, and then you're going to go into settings in the top right corner right here, as you can see. And now on settings, what you need to do in here is to just scroll down until you can see accessories. So click on accessories right here, then click on general, then click on Bluetooth accessories, as you can see. Now what you need to do is to connect the second controller right here, and by doing that you're going to grab the second controller that is not yet connected here, and then you're going to click on this button right here, the capture button and PS5 logo, until you can see blue light starts to shine. So we're just going to wait, and yeah, perfect, you can see it right here. So now what we need to do is to scroll down here and click on the DualSense wireless controller right here. Then click on yes, and then you're going to click on guest right here. You can also add a new user, but it's better to just click on guest, to be honest. Yeah, so you can see the second controller is now connected to a guest account, which is perfect. Now what we need to do is to go back into FIFA. So I'm just going to go back into FIFA right here, as you can see. Then I'm going to select a classic match here. So I clicked on kickoff and then classic match. And then what I'm going to do on this controller is to just move it here, and the other controller right here, I'm going to move it right there instead. If you want, you can of course play together as well, it's fully possible, but basically that is exactly how to do this.